You through the Lite Event from Microsoft Dynamics 365. It's a powerful tool designed to streamline the entire event planning and management process. This application covers everything an organizer needs to manage, from setting up the event details to tracking attendees and managing speakers, sponsors, exhibitors, and much more. Now, what you see on my screen is an Power App instance of Dynamics 365. So you can get and this solution which you see, you can get it from Microsoft App Stores or from the website MTC CRM. So let's dive in and explore each section of this solution. So you can open this solution. From here you can see the apps. This is the event management app. You can play this app. So this is a total overview of our event management application. So after you install the solution, you can navigate directly. You can see the app event management. So by clicking on it, you can open the event management overview of this. So here you can see the event info. So let's go into events. So I already have some events created, so I will explain you from the each section how it works. So I'm opening an event. Here you can see the event details. So for creating an event, you require an organizer for an event. So I already provided an organizer for an event. So you can give the event name, what the event is, and the event status is like planned or it's ongoing or completed or cancelled. Like now it is getting ongoing. So the status is ongoing, and the event mode, you have an event mode, and here you can see the three options: in person, virtual, or hybrid. So you can provide whatever the event you are organizing. The then the start date and end date, you can provide it. The description would be the what is the event is of. You can provide the description here. The event website URL you can provide here. Logo, venue, vendor. Venue is like where the event is going to organize. You can see the below section, we have an event attendees and financial summary. So here we can provide the total attendees, like how many are going to attend this event. So you can provide here, and remaining this all fields are roll up fields which are auto calculated. I will speak it later on. So coming to the next tab, it's an event agendas. So event agendas are nothing but like sessions, like we have sessions, registration, breakfast, welcome note. We have different sessions. These are the event agendas. So this is the session tab. You can provide what is the session is of. Like we can provide the now it's an registration. You can provide the title of this agenda. We'll call it as registration. You can describe it more. It is going to start like 8, and how much duration it is going to take at what time, and you can save and close. So in the events we can see the agendas, like we have a registration which is going to start at some time, and the duration, how long it will going to take. So likewise we can add multiple event agendas here. And coming to event attendees, these are the people who are going to attend this event. So before that we can provide we should create event tickets. So I have created one ticket there. So for this event, This is the event ticket. We have a ticket type like general, VIP, and student. So we can provide that, and the sale start date and end date you can provide here. The description of the ticket and a quantity, how number of tickets available for this event you can provide it here, and the price of each ticket. And these available tickets, sold tickets are again calculated, and I will speak it later. And coming back here, the all tickets related to this event management, you can create multiple tickets. And from event attendees, I will open an attendee. So here, in the attendee details, you can provide an attendee who's going to attend this event. Um so I provide some contact for the attendees, and this would be automatically coming from the we will be provided directly. This QR code and everything would be generated automatically. So from event tickets, you can provide the related ticket which you have created just now. So this is a general ticket. The venue we can provide here, registration day, and this is the attendance, like did he check in or checked out, you can provide here, and check-in date, the payment status. So I will speak it later. So you can provide the payment status and the attendee status, like registered or attended or cancelled. Like we have registered just now, so we'll register. So attendees are created. You can see here. So teams are nothing but the who is going to work here. Like we can provide the contact of the team, and then the role, what role he's going to work on. Like he's an event decorator, electrician, or staff, like so you can say and close. So likewise, you can create a multiple team here, and we have sponsor pricing. So for an event sponsor, we need a sponsor pricing here. So to create sponsor pricing, we required name sponsor. So we have sponsor already here, so we can create a sponsor. Sponsor is someone who is going to sponsor this event. You can provide the details, uh, and the sponsor level, like he, um, what is the level of the sponsor? Like he is a gold sponsor, silver. We can provide the sponsor level, and we can provide the sponsor email. For now, I will select the already existing sponsor. And for the sponsor pricing, you should provide the name for the sponsor pricing. Provide event location, you can provide here more. So like here he's sponsoring for an, you can provide the mode for the sponsor. So number of slots, for the sponsor pricing, we can provide the number of slots, provide the slots for this. We can provide the terms and conditions for slot price. For each slot, you can provide the price for it. So assigned slots, remaining slots would be calculated again. I will speak it later. After saving it, you can see the voluntary task list. This is an activity list. You can assign tasks to some specific persons. Like when I click on new task, you can see the title, contact. Contact is nothing but again who is going to take this task. So and the role is like what is going to do. Can see like I created this report for a task, staff for cleaning, and he is the one who is going to take care of this task. Save and close. Now sponsor pricing is created. Uh, like the sponsor pricing was agri groups, and the sponsor was this purpose. And number of slots we have is 100. So in the event sponsor, it's already created one report. So from here, the sponsor is we can select the sponsor and the sponsor agreement date, sponsor status. From here, we can create the event sponsor pricings. So I'm creating an event sponsor pricing for it. So the sponsor pricing was just we created the agree groups. So in this we had number of slots assigned, like we have provided the 100. So now for the event sponsor pricing for this, how many slots you are going to assign for this sponsor pricing, event sponsor pricing. So I provided like 110. So it will not get created because we have assigned only 100 for this sponsor pricing, for this sponsor pricing. So we need to provide less than 100 or equal to 100. So I will provide 50. And this pricing total would be like the number of slots we provided here is the multiple of in the sponsor pricing we have provided per slot price. So would be the multiplication of them. It will be automatically calculated. You can provide the terms and condition, assign date, and the status, which the payment is the total price is paid or not. You can provide here. After saving, you can see the calculation of the pricing total, which is got calculated. We have provided per slot price of 1,000, so now we can see that 50,000 got pop here. So you can save and close. This is how the event sponsor pricing calculation you can see. So you can provide multiple event sponsor pricing for this event sponsor. You can save and close. So it was the 50,000 which you saw in this event sponsor pricing. So you can see the calculation of the event sponsor. Um, you can see here. It's an I said it's an roll of it which is automatically calculated. So when I click calculate, so it would be the sum from the event sponsor pricing. So coming to event sponsor, so we have done this. So for exhibitors, we have an event stalls. So create stalls for an exhibitor. So I'm creating a stall. The stall name would be coffee shop, and the exhibitor is the one who is going to exhibit this stall. So you can select it or create the new exhibitor. The contact person for the exhibitor you can select here, and you can provide the email, saving it and close. So you can select the exhibitor which you have created just now, and the coffee shop, and the base price for this stall you can provide here. Like I'm providing it like 10,000 for this stall, and the location of the stall you can provide here, like where the stall is going to be placed, at the entrance or center or the corner. So I'm putting it as a center. And the stall side would be the medium, and the type would be it should be in the indoor. Additional services like we have electricity, water, internet. So I'm selecting the all the services. Based on this service size type, we can change the base price of it later on. So this is the available status. I will speak it later. So I'm saving and closing. So now the event stall is got created. You can create multiple stalls, and in the event exhibitor, I have already one exhibitor. So I'll open it. In this, you can provide the exhibitor which we have created. This was one which I have created, the exhibitor. The exhibitor agreement date you can provide, and this is the automatically calculated field from the exhibitor pricing. So to create exhibitor pricing, so you need to select the stall which you have created. So stall which I have created was the coffee shop. So I have selected it. So this is the price which is calculated automatically from the event stall, the base price which we have provided in the event stall. So I am saving it and closing. So now the price this is got created, and the sum is come from the event exhibitor pricing. You can create multiple exhibitor pricing. So event stalls. I can't select the event stall which is already assigned to exhibitor pricing already. So coffee shop was already booked by money's test record. So when I select this again, it won't take, like it's already booked. It should show. So you can one stall is selected at once itself only. So price got automatically clean. See the fourth and tenth one. This will be calculated 14,000. So based on exhibitor pricing, the amount would be calculated, saving and closing it. So event exhibitors, we have a total 14,000, which I just showed. So the calculation comes from there itself. So exhibitor revenue. So this is the in this overview we can see everything can be seen here. So coming to the event tickets and this thing, so we have provided the 1,000 attendees who is going to attend this event. So available attendance would be like from the tickets, available tickets would be the calculation from of them. So minus this total attendees. So before I should not have selected this. So it should be entered before itself. So I have edited this. It should be a local. So from starting, this 99 was coming from the event tickets. We have provided the total of 100 here. So available tickets are 98. So when you recalculate it, it should be 90. So you can see 98. So this was from the event tickets. So there was total 100 and the available tickets were 98 and sold were 2. So the calculation is like this, and the operating this is a total number of tickets which are sold. So it would be 2 events, and the event expense are like for this event what are the expenses we have. So this would be calculation for the event expense. So you can provide even. So this was like 50,000, no, 5 lakhs. So book fare, the event expense would be the calculation of the uh, event expense. So that's it. And we also have an canvas app for it. This is a app. So this is a canvas app. So you can see only events which are published. Those events only can be seen there. So the book fair was published now. So you can see the book fair. This is a book fair. The attendees who is going to attend here. We have total 8 attendees, and one is checked in, and you can filter from here itself. You can open the attendee and check the details of the attendee. The ticket was selected by him was the general ticket, and the ticket price you can see here. So on, you can see all the things. Attendee is like I showed in the attendee, we have a QR code for the attendee. So while checking in, the scan would be here, and we can scan him and make him as a check-in person. So we have sponsors. We have only one sponsor. Exhibitor, we have created only one exhibitor. We can see here. So we have the support tickets here. So like refund, we can ask them. So that's how the support tickets see here. And we also have a gallery, and we can see the camera here. So by with this we can upload the photos, and in the CRM also we have that functionality. We have a gallery, so we can upload multiple images of this event, and we can view individually. Like we can select one photo and view. We can view individual photos, and we can delete photos. So we have three now. We can add multiple photos also. It's getting refresh. So the image got ended. So likewise, we can add the images and remove their images. And in the app also we can see the images. So by clicking on it, so we added just this image here. So you can see same here. That's it. I feel like you all understand the Lite Event application. Thank you.